What's up? It's your boy Mikey Will here. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps more than you guys really know. In this video, we're talking about the Surron. It's been a full year since I got this joint. Love this thing. Obviously, it's been 72 volt. And speaking of the Surron, let me actually get downstairs and show you guys. It's winter time. It's cold out, so it's kind of hard to ride and do everything. But hold on. Alright. Got some random stuff. Don't worry about that. But obviously, here it is in the garage. That's the YZ, electric YZ back there. I'm working on. Still got the battery made. Motor is still kind of on. The mechanical things need to be worked out. So it's gonna take a little bit of time. But that's for another video, another time. They'll be ready by the spring. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, the 72 volt battery custom. The bike is super dirty. Didn't really clean it from last time at all. Just want to show you guys how it's been, how it's going. And hold up, let me get out of here. The lighting's all weird in here. It's just a little bit of a nightmare. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys a couple things. That one, love this bike. Two, would recommend this to anybody. And three, the 72 volt compared to the stock voltage, or when you get it stock, uncomparable. Anybody else that rides 72 will tell you the same thing. Hopefully, I don't know, but I like it. It's fun to stunt with. It's fun to ride off-road with. It's the whole bike. It's sick. Just so many new electric bikes coming out. So many bikes that I want. So many bikes I want to try and ride. But that's not about this video. I just want to show you guys some of the dopest moments that I had and why you guys should definitely get one. And let's get into the video. Alright, yo, so this is when I first got the run, you know what I'm saying? It's stock 60 volt, you know what I'm saying? I'm out here doing wheels, you know what I'm saying? Come on, man. From New Jersey, man. You know it's bike life everywhere. So this is when I started building the battery. This is my man Jimmy at PV. Taught me everything. Well, not everything I know, but a lot of things I know. I'm pushing new limits, you know what I'm saying? So it's been a crazy build process, building the battery, yada yada yada. I'm not gonna get into that. If you guys want to look at the whole build process, peep my video on my page. Obviously, it's on there. It's 5,000 views. That's what it looks like. That's what the inside of a Surron battery looks like. Obviously, there's more nickel strips out there. I've taken this countless places. This is actually me putting on the EMX Surron kit because I actually am sponsored by Electro Company. This is nothing to do with anything, but I just chose them because they had a chill speed controller that had very little problems. I didn't see anything blowing up or anything like that, and it was real chill. It was easy to install and stuff like that, so it is what it is. And that's what it looks like at the end. And from there, got to take it to a bunch of places, guys. I don't know if you guys know. I've been well, this is actually local. I'm just testing the waters, testing this thing, see how it feels, stuff like that. I actually got to ride this thing in the sand, you know what I'm saying? Got to take it down to my friend's house. He actually showed me some of his not his, but the single track that he lives nearby. And what a time to be alive, especially a single track on a Surron. It's very narrow. I don't know if you guys know, a single track is a very narrow trail. And with this, I'm able to weave in and out with ease. With something that big bikes can't really handle that much, you know what I'm saying? But there are some drawbacks. We're going to need a bigger rear tire. The sand motors and sand, especially electric motors and sand, do not mix. So minimize the falls and stuff like that. Obviously, it's impossible. And I let some other homies try it and stuff like that. And as time progresses, you can tell it's springtime. I'm out here feeling really comfortable on the bike. I've had a lot of practice with other electric bikes in the past, little Razor scooter from Electro Company, that upgrade and stuff like that. And I've taken this thing in the water, taken this thing in some deep puddles and stuff like that. I do not recommend going in super unknown deep puddles. You will find yourself shorted out and stranded, and that is literally the only way to explain it. But yeah, just tread lightly with that stuff. You can go in the water, you can ride in the rain, all that stuff. But the Surron, this is actually the Surron in the mountains in AOAA. and from there, just like felt more comfortable just with being myself on the Surron. A lot of haters in the community, let alone hating on like electric and like they can't sustain what happens if your battery runs out. I'm like, yo man, like why are you guys hating on that? I never once thought about my battery running out. I mean, obviously I do. Like I monitor my voltage. That's like an idiot would like not monitor it. So it's especially because I built it. I know exactly how much it takes and how much it can, like what it can do. Yes, sir.
Got 12 pack over there.
12 pack of Ronas. Yeah. So we got the quad, got the ATV, and I'm on the run. Wish us luck. Hopefully we gotta get gas too. Well, not for me, but for. Yeah, so been on some rocks, been on some extreme terrain, you know what I'm saying? I've taken this thing out of state. We went to Kentucky, which was dope, you know what I'm saying? Like traveled all over, went through a bunch of states, road trip sucked. Yeah, yada yada yada, but made it to the land of the fried chicken, you feel me? The Colonel. But yeah, you guys know what it is. That's due date. There's all these people there. That's your boy on the Surron, flexing in Louisville, guys. But yeah, like I don't even know what else I have to say. You guys gotta get one of these things, especially for city riding and stuff like that. It's very low key. A lot of people, well, in California, it's a little bit different. A lot of people are starting to like take heed to it, so they're starting to notice about the Surrons, and they're starting to get banned in the UK and all that stuff. But that's for another video too. I don't even want to talk about that. And like, you just really like, I just haven't had many problems other than maybe going too fast. That might have been like my only problem I've ever ran against. You know what I'm saying? Like taking this thing in the mud and water with straight heavy duty UTVs, ATVs, dirt bikes and stuff. Was able to keep up, no problem at all. Other than like some crazy rocky sections, the Surron suspension can handle it. And then hitting jumps on a stock suspension, you can bottom out. This is another ride in Patterson. This was a dope one. I don't know how many bikes were there. Maybe like 100. I don't know. Like, I know that if I stopped for like 5 minutes, there was more bikes coming, especially on the highway. I've never ridden the Surron on the highway. It was like straight sketchy. But like, I mean, they were out there, so I was like, yeah, we all together. We sing together on this one. You feel me? You feel me? That car stopping, pump. You ain't stopping nothing. I wish there was like a meter to tell you how many times your wheel's in the air, because I don't even know how many miles I have on my ride. I think I got 700 miles, something like that. I had this thing for a whole year. It's all wheelie miles, baby. All wheelie miles. There's another ride. Like, I've been on countless rides. So much fun. I actually forgot to tell you, I actually upgraded the rear brake. Needed that, because for all the wheels, I actually crashed in the wheelie because my rear brake failed. You know what I'm saying? You don't want that. This is another time where I was out. This was the same ride. I'm out in slides, bro. I forgot my shoes. Like a bimbo. You know what I'm saying? Not trying to get caught up. Your peepaws out, little toesies out. You know what I'm saying? Getting done up, and especially losing your sandal on the ride. That'd be like the worst. At least, oh man, I'm happy I didn't have that. That would have sucked. So I had a long ride back to the truck and been upset all the way home. You know what I'm saying? That would have sucked. But the one thing I did like about this ride was the fact that I'm out in like the countryside, and that's something that like I can't say that like I'm not exposed to, because I do live in the countryside kind of. And just to be out on a ride in the countryside, there wasn't really cops harassing us. There was a lot of open space. Got to just really just be out there, and obviously no one's gonna hear me on an electric bike. You know what I'm saying? Like, and then this is like one of the closer times to like fall's setting in and stuff like that. It's getting a little colder out. Everyone's rocking long sleeves, and so I got baseball tee on. It was stunt lot days. You know what I'm saying? You can see the clear progression of stunting. I'm doing Superman's, everything, double foot standing on it, like everything, you know what I'm saying, knee knockers, regular sit down foot drags, everything, you know what I'm saying. I just want to work on combos more. This is the moment of truth, guys. I got the homies to get us a ride.
Like it.
Yo! Let's go! Out on the runs! This is insane! Yo, the Surron made them some believers that day, and theirs is only stock. I can't imagine when it's time for them to upgrade, do their thing, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, there's a car coming. I don't know what's up with that. So let's slide. Yeah, I'm just gonna go this way. Let's go, gang. Yeah, let's go around the building. Not playing that game.
Yes, sir. Some little stand-up sucker wheelie action, boy. You guys follow me on Instagram, TikTok. Well, not TikTok, but yeah, posted that one recently. You know what I'm saying? Yo, it's your boy Mikey Will. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Helps one you know. Got more content coming soon. Peace.